And this is by far the easiest. Okay, I advise people who are first starting out in copywriting to start with this one, and it is called email copywriting. Guys, email is the easiest form of writing that you can perform for businesses or for yourself, and from there you can develop more copywriting skills that can help you to further grow. Now, if you are a copywriter and you are a beginner copywriter, like you are a newbie, I highly recommend that you start with email copywriting. That way you get to write a lot of stuff, you get to learn things, you get to do your research, you get to know your audience, you get to know your demographics. Find a way to get everything you have learned in your copywriting skill, find a way to get them together and use them in your email, and see how you can be able to be as persuasive as you can in your emails.